I got high.
Yeah. I'm Faye, and we want to invite you, HGTV, into our home. And Ahmed, please come crash our yard. Paused?
Got it.
Okay. Okay, so this is our home on a Sunday afternoon. This is not a normal Sunday because half of our family, well over half, is off on spring break. But you see, it's quite a few people, and it's just simply not enough room. And this is our backyard. And we have a nice sized backyard. Unfortunately, size is all we have. We have no fence to keep them in. The grass was dead when they built the house and installed it. That's a major wind funnel right there. We've lost 3 tents, 2 gazebos, a table, 2 umbrellas, and there's the one we lost today. It's really windy, so we really need a wind barrier up on the hill, a fence, and some grass, and maybe a little extra space to entertain outside, since we can't seem to keep a gazebo, or tent, or table, or an umbrella for that matter. Ahmed, we love you. We love HGTV. Even Sandy says, please come make our yard friendly. I run off. Nikki says, I like to come over and play, but there's nothing to do in the backyard. Ahmed, please come crash our yard. And there's another reason why we really need you, Ahmed. Our yard is just not safe. There's not much out here, but what is can be hazardous. Kira, Nikki, tell Ahmed, come crash our yard. And she'd even mow the grass if there was some to mow. Hey, Ahmed. Hey, Ahmed. I'd love some grass. Y'all are so cute. Say, hey, Ahmed. I need some grass to mow. Huh. I need some grass to mow.
Kira, go get on the grider.
Kira, come back. Kira, come back. See, we really need a fence. Oh yeah, and when it rains, Ahmed, it doesn't drain real well, and it leaves dead grass from everybody else's yard. And that's what we have to play in. Dead grass. I have a couple of little raised beds where I've attempted to do some square foot gardening. And usually on weekends, our house is full of people. Since we got HGTV, and we got, on weekends, we have direct TVs, NFL Game Day. And since we moved here from South Louisiana after Katrina, everybody comes here to watch the Saints and LSU on weekends. And we just don't have enough room. And we're all about family. Usually on a Saturday and Sunday, there's probably 30 or 40 people at our house almost every weekend. And it's not just our immediate family. It's all our friends. So please, Ahmed, come crash our yard.